Viewers, we have big breaking news coming in from Jammu and Kashmir, where cordon-and-search operations have been launched in 35 villages of upper reaches of Gulmarg, Kanli, Sultanpura in Baramulla. The operations were jointly carried out by the Army, J&K Police, SOG and CRPF, and the aim is to prevent infiltration attempts from across the border. Drones, surveillance equipment and canine units have been deployed for monitoring the dense forest, and there is a focus on precision operations to minimize civilian inconvenience. So cordon-and-search operations have been launched in 35 villages of upper reaches of the Gulmarg, Kanli, Sultanpura in Baramulla districts, and these operations are being jointly carried out by the Indian Army, the J&K Police's SOG and CRPF. So the idea is to prevent infiltration attempts from across the border. And for that purpose, drones, surveillance equipment and canine units have been deployed for monitoring dense forests. Zeenat, my colleague, is now joining us for more on that story. Zeenat, what updates do you have now? Cordon-and-search operations have been launched in 35 villages in Baramulla. Give us more details. Is this operation based on specific intelligence inputs, or are these sort of preventive measures?
We need to understand the geography of this area. These are the area, the villages, 35 areas that are quite close to the line of control, and this area is strategically very important as far as the border infiltration is concerned, for which now we see the massive CASO has been launched across these 35 villages that connects you across the line of control, because this is the Gulmarg sector of North Kashmir's Baramulla, where we see the extensive cordon-and-search operations being carried by the J&K Police, Army, CRPF and other paramilitary forces to prevent any infiltration attempt. Because when we talk about the infiltration attempt, this is the best time for the infiltration, because in a month or so, when the passes will be covered by the snow, then Pakistani terrorists with the support of Pakistani army would not be able to carry these kind of infiltration attempts. So the massive cordon and search operations is being launched to see that things turn well for the upcoming winters. We are seeing the drone surveillances, we are seeing the high equipment, and also seeing that nothing goes wrong on the ground, for which the forest belt, this is the extensive forest belt that is being targeted by the joint forces to see that infiltration attempts are thwarted, and multiple CASOs have been launched. It has been late evening when the drill was started by the Indian Army along with the other troops to see that things go well on ground. The drone system, the electronic system, the foot soldiers on the ground are extensively searching so that nothing goes unwell on the ground, and to prevent the attempts for the upcoming winters. This kind of cordon and search operation has been launched in the Kandi Sultanpura. This is the Baramulla, North Kashmir, the Gulmarg sector that is being searched extensively.
All right, Zina, thank you so much for all those details from Jammu and Kashmir.